What's up, everyone? My name is MarkPlante, and this is MPV Vlogs. Like I said, my name is MarkPlante. This is MPV Vlogs. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you hit that bell icon, you'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Basically, if you've been following me over the last couple of weeks, you know that I have cut the cord. I no longer have cable in my house, and I'm looking at different media options for my family. There are so many different ways that you can go about this, and you have to be really careful on what you do because it can get quite expensive. So you have to lay the pros and cons on what you're going to purchase and make sure that it is what you want. So what I'm doing right now, I am in the process is I am building a media server for my house. And what this media server is going to do, in general, what a media server is basically a hard drive where you keep all of your video, audio, anything like that on there so that it can be accessed wirelessly throughout your home. There are several different ways of doing this. One of the ways that I am testing right now is I actually have a media server on my iMac right now that I'm testing, and I can view it on any television in my house. I can stream any media. I'm in the process right now of putting the DVDs that I have in my house on that server so that we can watch them on any TV when we want. In my future plans, what I plan on doing is I actually have a cloud server, an NAS, that's going to be delivered to my house within the next couple of days. I am going to set that up as my media server. And by doing that, it will allow me to actually view my files anywhere where I can have an internet connection. So I've got to do a lot of changes. I'm going to have to rewire my network a little bit to make it work. I have to buy some new hardware in order to get what I want. So I'm going to bring you guys along with everything that I do. I'll show you videos of everything that I'm doing. I am not an expert at this in the least. I am watching YouTube videos like crazy trying to figure out how to do this. I think I have it down on what I need to do. So we'll go through and you guys will follow me with the mistakes that I make, anything that I figure out, an easier way to do things. So it's going to be probably about 4 or 5 videos that I'll spread it out among. So keep following. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Once you're subscribed, hit that bell icon. You'll get notification anytime I put up one of these new videos. Should be coming out throughout the next week, I hope. It's going to be an adventure. I'm a little nervous doing it, but in the long run, compared to the cost of what I paid for cable, I'm going to save a lot of money. So, like I said, hopefully everything that I'm doing will work. That being said, again, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you're already a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment on anything you'd like to see with these videos that I'm putting up. Leave me comments. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong or if there's a better way of doing something so that I can run an efficient media server out of my house. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Again, my name is MarkPlante. This is MPV Vlogs, and I'll see you guys again real soon.